Let's talk about 2 ways to build your first chart in Tableau Desktop. I've already connected to Sample Superstore as my data source. There are 2 main ways to start building your first chart. You can either click on Show Me and build it using Show Me, or you can manually move dimensions and measures over into the view. Let's start by dragging sales onto text and region onto text. The reason I put those 2 on text is so I can use Show Me. If you hover over, let's say, the bar chart, it says for horizontal bars you need 0 or more dimensions and 1 or more measure. I've put a measure and a dimension on text, so Tableau gives me the option to click on bar chart. I can also click on map, or stacked column, or a straight table. Let's remove this and see the second way to build a chart. I can move my fields manually into the view. I don't need to use Show Me. So let's get rid of Show Me. Search for sales. And let's start by putting sales on rows. By putting sales on rows, I get a bar. If I move sales up to columns, I get a horizontal bar. If I move a dimension like region onto rows, I get a bar chart. So a row for each region, so a bar for each region. I can swap these, put region on columns and sales on rows, and I get a column chart. All of these charts are able to be built manually by moving pills around in the view. Hope this helps.